All right, it's my 1988 Club Car DS. As you can tell, this model has 5 solenoids with 3 resistor coils tied into your reverse switch. This is called the speed switch controller, which is just made of 5 micro switches on a push plate. What I want to do is show you how to check and make sure that your micro switch works with its corresponding solenoid when it's turned on. Make sure the key is turned on. This will be mounted right here into this box with the plate inside of it. To where you depress the accelerator, this plate moves, pushing on the corresponding micro switch, which then sends the information up to the solenoid. When you look at the schematics on it, you can see that the micro switch all the way, I guess you would say to the right, once installed, will have 3 cords coming out of it, 3 wires coming out of it, and then each one after that is just a double micro switch. They all seem to piggy off each other, and then they're all colored and run up to each corresponding solenoid. The way to check for a micro switch that makes it work, obviously, is you can grab a multimeter, you can ground it out and check and see which one, whenever you hit your power, if you're going to feed out of it. How to check the solenoid: once you have it turned on and everything is plugged in, when you click on one, you should hear which solenoid pops. You can put your hand on the side of it and you can feel it. Next one, next one, next 2. And that really is, some of them are stronger than the other ones. But once you depress them all together, you should get moving. Set it down, check the reverse. Buzzer is very low. One of the previous problems I had when changing out solenoids is this bus bar right here. As you can see, it's taped up. If the bus bar is all metal, if it touches any other wire and you turn the power on, you're gonna start grounding it out, burning up wires, which I've already had to replace a couple. Ever since then, the reverse buzzer hasn't been working correctly. But when I purchased this golf cart used, it was been just looked outside and just not taken care of. 2 of the 5 solenoids are bad, so I went ahead and just replaced all 5 of them off of the set I got off Amazon. I can put the link in the description as well. I replaced all 5 micro switches. 2 of the micro switches were bad, along with the micro switch and the 4 reverse switch. What I do when these club car fuses go out is I just connect a bus fuse between it, and because a bus fuse is much more readily accessible to change out than the screw-in or bolting one that club car OEM is. Also, look at your diagram for your batteries. Make sure they're all wired up correctly. Make sure that they're all tight. There's no loose connections. You can see arcing if there's a loose connection causing resistance, which was obviously there before. The resistor coils, when you turn them on and run them, they will get warm when in use. If they get burning hot where they're producing smoke and turning red, something's wrong. There's a problem. It's grounding out somewhere, there's a problem. It's not meant to do that. But as you can see, all new nuts, bolts, all wires connected. Any loose wire fitting has been replaced. But this main is this bus bar right here. Make sure that it is taped. I'm going to go ahead and recheck everything again before I put the shell on it, just to double check. But that's just one rundown. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect up this speed control sensor. All right, so these will go into. You can see where the original wiring is already taken. Anyways, there's grooves inside of this box. The micro switches will slide into the groove, just like this, into the middle groove. There is a little rod that holds all 5 of these together, which makes it a whole lot easier when you're installing. very skinny bolt, and nothing goes in to retain this. You want to retain it from this way. That's why you're pushing them in. See where the hole lines up? You're going to push the bolt through. Make sure that it goes through all 5 of them. Then once it goes through, it's a pain. Connect them all. Make sure that when you put the nut on, you don't want to drop it. There's not really a lot of space or room to put a washer or anything else on it. But I'll show you a reason why you want to put it on this side. So while you're checking your wires and you're putting this in, you see where this plate is connected to the accelerator. There's also a groove right here at the bottom. That's where that plate's going to go in. All right. Right here at the bottom. Make sure that this open slot right here is be facing towards the front of the cab, front cowl. And when you put it on, slide it in the groove.